Okay, so good morning. We can start today's class. In the previous class, we had discussed about different types of fruits with having one seed or many seeds. Hmm? Then what about the germination? Germination, that also we discussed it, and how what all are the important things needed for a seed to germinate. Then dispersal, spreading of seeds from the mother plant, that is called dispersal. Different methods of dispersal. Up to that we learned before our Onam holidays. So I think I can give a quick revision using the slide so that you can refresh that all concepts. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, did you send the notes of the fruits?
No, today only I will send it. Okay. After this revision, we can start doing the workbook exercises. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. 1 minute. Okay. I think you can see it, right? Germination.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Manu.
Ma'am.
Okay. So what do you mean by germination? What do you mean by germination?
When a seed grows into a plant, it is called as germination.
It is called germination. When a seed grows into a new plant, it is called germination. Okay. Mute your audio. Next one, Daniel. What all are the substances needed for a seed to grow?
Ma'am.
Yeah. What all things are needed for a seed to grow? Yes. What all things needed for a seed to grow, seed to germinate?
Soil, water, air, and nutrients to germinate.
Okay, soil and also you can say sunlight, right? Soil, air, water,
Yes,
sunlight, nutrients. That also you can say it. Okay, so we can write it in a short form: SWAN, S for soil and also sunlight. Then W for water, A for air, and N for nutrients. Next one is the dispersal. So before that, let me ask you one question. Why we need to disperse the seeds? Why we need to disperse the seed? Who can answer it? Why we need to disperse the seed? Who can answer it? Those know the answer, please raise your hand. Can you hear me, dear students?
Yes,
Dear students, yes. Then, yes, okay. So those who know the answer of my question, please raise your hand. Why we need to disperse the seed? Only I can see one student has raised. Dhanay, you know the answer, Dhanay? You are giving a thumbs up and all. Dhanay. Anandesh, please switch on the video. Okay. Manu. Yes, Manu.
Because if the seeds do not spread, all the plants will grow germinate under the same mother plant. So not every plants will get the sunlight, nutrients, and all.
Okay, they have to fight for the nutrients and for the water, sunlight, and all, right? So that some of the seed may die. So in order to avoid this, the seeds, the nature has its own technique for dispersing it. So let me ask you, what do you mean by dispersal? What do you mean by dispersal? Who can answer it? Don't unmute. Raise your hand. What do you mean by dispersal? Dispersal. Okay, Amna. What do you mean by dispersal?
Dispersal means spread.
Spreading seeds for it to grow in other parts also.
Okay, very good. Your own words. Okay, good. Your own words is yeah, enough. Thus, this spreading of seeds from the one place from the plants is known as dispersal of seeds. Spreading of seeds from the plants is known as dispersal of seeds. That is the definition. Different types of dispersal are there. Say, Anandesh, tell me one method of dispersal. Any one method of dispersal?
The seeds carried by the birds, animals.
Okay, dispersal by birds and animals. Okay, good. Another one, who can say it? Who can say it? Raise your hand. Oh, otherwise I will call Agni. Agni, another method of dispersal. So many methods we learn. Agni.
Wind.
Wind. Okay, so dispersal by wind. That is there. Then another one, Tanya. Tell me another method. Tanya.
Water.
Okay, dispersal by water. Okay, good. Then Felix, another method, dispersal by
Animals.
animals and birds. That Anantesh also told the same. Then another one, Isha. Yes, Isha.
Ma'am, explosion.
Yeah, dispersal by explosion. Very good, explosion. Next one, Angelina. Angelina, any other method of dispersal? Birds and animals are there. Another one. Yeah. Yes. Yes. That is by human beings, right?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I didn't understand explosion.
Okay, explosion. That I
Ma'am, by human being, by passing.
human being. Okay, human being. So here we learned about different methods of dispersal, right? So explosion. So I will give some example for each type of dispersal. In between, we can discuss dispersal by explosion also. Ayman, can you please wait? Ayman?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, Agni.
Not Agni, Nandita.
Okay, Nandita. Tell me.
Gravity.
Gravity. What do you mean by gravity?
It's force that pulls everything down.
Okay, that is
Ma'am,
there.
method of dispersal.
Method of dispersal is gravity.
Ma'am, not that seeds some plants they just the seeds just fall down like this.
Okay,
That's
okay,
what
they are on. Maybe, okay, they are on, it falls. Okay, good. Okay, but we are not mentioning about it as a gravity, okay? So, gravity as a method of dispersal because the seeds are falling down under the mother plant, right? So, can we say it as a dispersal? No, we can't say it.
Automatically, when they are ripe, they just fall.
Okay, that is they are falling under its own mother plant. Dispersal means spreading of seeds from one place to another. Say here we can see dandelion. And dandelion, example for seeds that dispersed by wind. That is the dandelion. Say, who can say the Malayalam word for dandelion? A very common word is there. Common word is there. Dandelion. Huh? No. Appuppantadi. Have you heard about it? Appuppantadi.
Yes, ma'am. Appuppantadi.
You can.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, it is very familiar, right? It is all familiar. You can see it is floating over the air, right?
I will collect it.
Okay. So here now it is not the season. I tried a lot to collect this one, but it is not the season. So I couldn't bring you for showing you. But I hope you all know about Appuppantadi, right?
Yes.
What is that? What is the word? Name of that word? Name of that
Dandelion. Dandelion.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, somebody called me Anthony.
Ma'am,
Nandita.
it's Richard.
Okay, Richard. Tell me, Richard.
Dandelion season is summer.
Yes, dandelion, cotton. You can see cotton seeds
Yes,
also
ma'am.
are flying there, right? Okay, so dandelion, cotton, these all are carried by the wind. So what is the speciality of this type of seeds? Can you guess it?
They are very light.
They should be very light. The seeds which are dispersed by wind. The seeds which are dispersed by wind must be very light. Sometimes they might have some wing-like structure. Maple. See, you have heard about this one. Teepettimaram. See, why I am saying Malayalam words means you are familiar with this words, right? Teepettimaram. So the seeds of that tree, they have some wing-like structure. Okay, so that also helps them to float on that also helps them to fly through the air. So that seeds also are dispersed by the wind. So I will show the picture. Okay, dandelion is there. Next one, maple. So write down the new words in the rough book. New words in the rough book. Dandelion. Pia, please, Pia and Angelina, please mute your audio. Dandelion, maple. See, can you see the maple seed? How it is? Have you seen it? Have you ever seen this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
I have seen maple.
Okay,
It's in my house.
Okay. So next class, if it is possible, please collect these type of seeds and show it in the next class. Okay. I am also trying, but I couldn't get it. Okay. So next one, milkweed. See, this is also a type of seed which is dispersed by the wind. So, is it familiar with you, these all seeds? I hope
Yes,
one or the other time you might have seen these seeds, right? So, Felix, tell me what is the speciality of the seeds which are dispersed by the wind? Yes, Felix.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the speciality of these type of seeds which are dispersed by the wind? Speciality. These can glide in the air, right? This can glide in the air. So who can say that answer? Who can say? Who is ready? Raise your hand. Yes, Chinmay. Chinmay. Yeah.
They are very light.
They are very, these seeds are very light. Only that one? Only that one? Huh?
They can glide in the air.
Okay, what it helps them to glide in the air?
Wind.
Wing-like, okay, wing-like structure, hairy structure. Yes, tell me. Yes, dear, tell me.
Ma'am, I have maple, ma'am.
Okay, do you have now itself? Now it is there with you? Ananda?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay.
I have a
maple tree.
well near my house.
Okay, well, okay.
And the side of that we can see
tree
many.
Okay,
Yes,
so before the next class, you just collect it, but don't put you in don't look it into the well and all. Just collect the seeds and keep it with you so that we can show to your friends also. Okay, Ananda. Okay, ma'am. Okay, so everybody can do it now. You have a lot of time, so if it is possible, please collect these type of seeds. Okay, so these are write down these all spellings: dandelion, maple, milkweed. These are the examples for seeds that were dispersed by wind. Write down the words, new words, example for seeds that were dispersed by wind. I hope everybody is writing it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Show the notes. Everybody show the notes, rough book. After writing, show it, copy it and show it. Okay. Okay. So you have to do it. Okay. Can I move to the next one? Yes. Okay, good. Can I move to the next one? Dispersed by water. Dispersed by water. Which are the, John Sebi, which are the plants that were dispersed by water? John. Unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, which are name some seeds that were dispersed by water. Can you tell me?
Lotus.
Okay, lotus. Okay, then lotus is there. Then tell me fast. Who can say?
Ma'am, Ananda.
Ananda. Okay, Ananda. Tell me. Ananda.
Water lily.
Water lily. Okay, then
Fia. Seeds of coconut.
Coconut also, right? So lotus, coconut, then water lily. These are the some of the seeds that were dispersed by water. Okay. So next one. So here you can see the pictures. Can you tell me what is the speciality of the seeds which were dispersed by this one?
They can float in the water.
What helps them to float? What helps them to float?
Water leaf.
1 minute, 1 minute. Those who know the answer, you can raise your hand. Don't unmute. Don't unmute. So, some seeds we can disperse, they can be dispersed by water. What helps them to disperse through water? Raise your hand, those who know. See, I can see very few hands. Only Fia's hand I can see. And what about the others? Manu is ready. Then no others. Say Brightlin. Brightlin, please tell me. Brightlin. Oh, Brightlin is not. Fia. Okay, tell me, Fia.
Ma'am.
Tell me. What?
Water helps them to float on the float on the water.
Water helps them to float. Why? Why these seeds are floating on water? That is my question.
And they're near to the rivers or the water bodies.
Your chance is over. Mute your audio. Mute your audio. Now Gautam. Gautam, tell me.
Ma'am, their leaves will help them to float on the water.
Their leaf. Huh? Agni.
Ma'am, because
Ma'am, one light out cover will be surrounding them.
Okay, that the spongy cover. The coconut is having a spongy cover, right? Spongy cover is there. Fibrous covering. That fibrous covering helps them to float over the water. In the same way, the lotus seeds also. Water lily, lotus seeds, these also. Okay.
petals.
No, it is not the petals. You can see a fibrous covering over on the covering of the coconut. Can you see it in the picture?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Which help it to float over the water.
For lotus.
Lotus also, the seeds having some pores over it, right? So these pores, air. 1 minute. See, this lotus seed, in the lotus seed, some pores are there. In that pores, you can see some air can store in that. This air will help it to float over it. Okay, float through the water. So these are some of, and next we want to say about the dispersal by animals and birds. Hmm? I don't think that you want some slides or pictures to see that. You know it, right? Birds, animals, human beings, how it helps to disperse, how it helps in the dispersal of seeds. Who can say, who can say how the birds, animals and human being helps in the dispersal of seed? Amna? Amna?
Then throw it away.
Okay, say it loudly. Say it loudly.
They just eat, some birds eat seeds,
Okay,
and
okay.
sometimes it just drops
Okay,
from their
so by
beaks.
after eating birds, animals, human beings will throw the seeds there, right, here and there. So there it will start to germinate. That is there. Then why these birds, animals, and human beings eat the fruits? That is what I want to get
Get
answer.
nutrients.
To get
Because-
nutrients.
Because it is tasty and fleshy.
Okay, very good, very good. Because the fruits are fleshy, tasty and nutrient rich. Because the fruits are fleshy, tasty and nutrient rich, the birds, animals and human beings eat the fruits. As when we eat the fruit, the seeds, we will throw it after eating the fruit, fleshy fruit, we will throw the seeds. The seeds won't digest. Seeds, if we eat, that won't digest. So we will throw the seeds. And sometimes the birds, when they took the fruits from a tree and when they fly from one place to another, there are chances of falling down it, right? That it may fall down somewhere because of the weight of the fruit. So there it will start to germinate. Another one, see when the birds or animals eat the fruits, sometimes small seeds will be there in that fruits. When they eat that fruit, the seeds also will get into their stomach, but the seeds won't digest. These undigested, these undigested seeds get out of the bird's animal's body as droppings. Wherever that dropping falls down.
Ma'am, I have a seed.
Say who it is. Is it Angelina?
Yes, ma'am.
Say somebody is trying to talk, but that.
Angelina.
Okay, Angelina is facing severe network issue. Angelina, please wait. Please wait. Please wait. Mute your audio and please wait, okay, to get your network stable. So that is there. And another one, some seeds have some hook-like structures. Some seeds have some hook-like structures that when the animals or human being when pass through this plant, these seeds will cling on to our body or on our clothes. I think you also have the experience, right? When you walk through the courtyard, you can see some seeds cling on your body or on your clothes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, when you keep it, when you try to keep it from your body, that will fall down somewhere. There it will start to germinate.
There is a small seed. When I sit in the ground, it come on my clothes. I try to take, but it's very hard to take.
It is very hard. Okay.
Can take it, ma'am.
If it is there, stick on our clothes, it will be easy. But if it stick on our legs or on our hairs, legs are having some hairs, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So if it is clinged on the hair, it will be very painful.
It is very small seed.
Okay. So small black colored seeds, right? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Understood. And next one is dispersal by explosion. That is what Ayman asked the doubt, right? See, sometimes when the seeds. Say seeds become ripe, when it become mature. Seeds, the covering of the seeds may break down. And the seeds in it, it will explode or it will spread to the side. That is called explosion. For example, this mustard seed, when the mustard, yes?
Ma'am, I have got a lady finger seed.
Okay, yeah. See, can you see, show the lady finger?
Ma'am.
Lady finger seed is there. Okay, okay. How we get the lady's finger seed? One pod is there, right? This lady, okay, this lady's finger, when it ripe, it will start to break. The pods will start to break. Inside, like this, small seeds are there. Black colored small seeds are there. They will come out of the lady's finger and will spread to the places. In the same way, balsam. One flower is there, balsam. That flower seed, when it mature, if we touch, that time itself it will break it. Okay, and the seeds will spread to the air. That is called explosion. So if you have some balsam seeds.
Mama, I have in my house.
Okay, okay. So Anantesh is also can show it because it is there in Anantesh house. But if I bring it to here, whenever we touch it, that will break into, that pods will break into it and the seeds will come out of it. So I can't take it. So next class, those are having this balsam seeds, lady's finger, one pod is there, right? And in the same way, cotton, that also, the seed, when it become mature, when it become dry, and that will break into to release the seeds from it.
Ma'am, there is a flower, adenium. So it's a seed when we touch.
Yes. Adenium also having this type of dispersal. So Ayman, is it clear, Ayman, now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What are you doing there? You are doing
Ma'am, I'm looking the book.
Looking the book. Why you are looking at the book? Huh?
Ma'am, trying to know the explosion.
Explosion. So have you understood now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, first I thought.
Seeds of some plants are dispersed by fruit explosion. For example, lady's finger, this mustard, then cotton, then this balsam also. Balsam is a type of adenium. Adenium also having this type of explosion and dispersal. Okay. When these all different types of dispersal methods, the seeds can germinate on the soil. So if the conditions are proper, means if they are getting enough sunlight, water, moisture, nutrients, air and soil, they will start to germinate into a new plant. Okay, so Fia.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so for Saturday, you may be taking the next portion, right?
Yes, ma'am. Uses of seeds.
Okay, uses of seeds. So in the next class, Fia will take the uses of seeds. So up to that only this.
Ma'am, can we attend see the class?
Sorry?
Ma'am, we can see the class.
Ayman.
Ma'am is asking, can yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we can see the class.
Yes. During the science period, she will take the class. Okay. During the Teachers' Day, Fia will take the portion uses of seeds. So this is all about the dispersal. I hope all understood this portion. Yeah. Do you have any doubt? Anybody have any doubt?
No. Yes, ma'am.
No,
ma'am. No.
Okay. No. So write down the new word. Study that new word today. Today I will send some notes also. Okay. You have to copy the notes. Shall I leave the class? Now is the time to end.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Read the chapter.
Thank you, ma'am.
Read the chapter.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye.